This is the program that we are going to use, and I will shortly summarize the command which has the name global string. This command basically helps you to realize TCP IP connection. Okay, let's see how many functions does it have inside. It has one reset function, it has one send and receive function. I will show these three at the moment. This global string affects this text data. For example, right now I just reset this text data to be sent. Then I just get some date of today, the timestamp of the moment, and then these are some parameters. I'm using a demo program called Hercules. You can make TCP/IP communication on the same PC. One of them is client and one of them is server. This Hercules just listens this iVision program. Let's also clear this window. Okay, so if you are on the same PC, you know much better than I do. The IP address should be this. The port numbers should be equal. In Hercules, this is also the same. And right now I will choose ASCII format because we are sending the text data. So okay, then this is the receive data command. If I send something from Hercules, Hercules is the PLC, is simulating PLC. This receive command will just get the data and display it in this white window. Okay, so let's do this. Maybe I can make this smaller, and you can see both Hercules and this program at the moment at the same time. Okay, so if I click run the program up to here and click this lesson, you see this timestamp is here. So we received, as a PLC, Hercules received the data. Now as a PLC I want to send some data. Okay, so I need to run whole program, and then now it listens me. Then you see this data comes to here. So let's do it again. So this is basically very easy to do. You can just repeat these steps and yeah, make yourself familiar.